Ladies and gentlemen, if we could kindly ask Ishwari to please light the candles for us. There you go. Please put on your best singing voices tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to ask Mabecha, our dear brother Ishwar, to ask him to close his eyes, make a wish, and we all get ready to sing Happy Birthday. Give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday, everybody. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ishwar. Happy birthday to you. For he's a jolly good fellow. Jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. So say all of us. He's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us, hip hip, hooray. Everybody together, hip hip, hooray. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday, dear Ishwar. If we could kindly ask Mum to cut a piece of cake for you and feed you. There we go. Very special moment for Mum and son. Big round of applause, please.